Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I wanted to do like a cute everyday look that still has a little bit of excitement, a little bit of a pop in it. So I'm just like, this hairstyle will be literally perfect. Plus I always wanted to try this on a wig. I think I did every hairstyle that related to this, like this hairstyle's cousin or sister, but I never did this exact hairstyle. So I'm like, all right, boom, this is the perfect time to do it. And girl, this wig was 32 inches, so I definitely had to do it. So first things first, I'm gonna be doing my bald cap, and I'm using my Erica J Hold Me Down glue to hold down this cap. Just the other day I used the Got To Be, and I just realized why I don't use the Got To Be to hold down my cap and stuff like that, because it really does not give it any hold. Like some days it just might, but it really wasn't giving that. So I'm just basically blow drying it until it gets clear and dry. That's why I'm tapping it, so I could just make sure it's not like dewy or anything like that. And I'm gonna color it in with my concealer and carry on. So once it comes to the part where I have to actually cut the excess off, I just want y'all to pay attention to how laid this cap is, especially by the ears, because I do not play when it comes to laying down this cap. Laying down your cap is actually one of the most important parts of doing your install and can determine how long your install is actually gonna last. Trust me, been there, done that. So also, if this is for like a temporary wear, I wouldn't really suggest this method. I would suggest any type of holding spray, only because you don't want to put all that extra product on your hairline if you don't need to. But look at how secure that bald cap is. Like, this cap is laid down. So as usual, I'm taking my concealer and I'm gonna also apply it onto the actual wig. I'm telling you, the concealer I really just use all throughout the video. Sometimes I use it to fix my mistakes, I use it to tint, I do all of that. So just keep your concealer nearby. Whatever you use to tint your lace, just keep that nearby, because you're gonna be using it for everything. But I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna use 2 layers of this glue. I really could have used 1 good layer, but I was just like, I guess I'm gonna use 2. It's no big deal. But I went ahead and I did 2 layers on each of the sections, and it gives me a good hold every single time. What I realized too is that when I put my wig on and I glue it down, and before I actually cut the lace, I like to tie it down with something. You can use the elastic band, a scarf, whatever, but the elastic band is a little bit more effective from what I've experienced. But when I do that and let it hold for about 10 minutes, it actually holds so much better. And yes, I've been like new to this method, but I feel like when I try things again for the first time, it's just like, wow, I don't know why I stopped doing this in the first place. Like, I don't know. But that's what it was given. And if you want your wig to really, really hold, it honestly comes down to your glue application, how big and fitted your wig is, because if it's too big, then it could essentially like pull your wig back, especially if you do a ponytail. It could like drag back and cause your glue to be exposed a little bit. It also depends on how many layers you put. It just depends on so many things. So every single step that you take, just make sure you're fully going through with that step. Now, I know y'all always see me use my Eco Styler gel and my little baby curling iron, but today I wanted to go back and use my mousse. I just wanted to see what it was giving, and that's how I know I really laid this lace down, because nowadays, well, not nowadays, but I think the 2 times before this I tried to use my mousse, it just was not giving what I wanted it to give. And I actually was taking my time with these baby hairs, and my lace did not lift. So I was like, okay, cool. So I know what step I had to take in order to really get my baby hairs to lay and to keep that cap glued down, because if you put too much mousse on your lace, it could possibly lift it, and that's gonna mess up everything. You're gonna be so upset. So you gotta be very, very, very careful. So with that being said, I just wanted to show y'all a few points and come to talk to y'all about certain things that I felt was really, really important throughout this video. So now that that's said, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me show y'all the ends of this hair. I just curled the bottom. They're so cute. Such a quick little cute vibe. I also did the flat twist as best as I could. Oh my god. Doing flat twists with long nails is so annoying, but it's something I was like, let me just take my time, let me practice. I always feel like I have to rush or under pressure when I'm recording and doing certain looks. Like anything that involves rubber bands, I just get super frustrated because I'm always trying to rush stuff. But I got it done, thankfully so, and it looks really good, very decent. I'm not sure what the back looks like. What is the back giving? It might be giving a little frizz, but I know I got it as best as I can, because if them flat twists would have unraveled, I would have been pissed. I would have been like, oh my god, I'm about to be doing this all night. But thankfully, so I got them done. So period. The hairstyle came out very cute. The baby hairs was cute. I actually like how the baby hairs came out with the mousse. I was like, I gotta buy more Eco Styler gel because mine's a little bit dried up and it's ran out. So now I gotta buy a new one. So I was just like, let me back out my mousse. I didn't feel like curling the baby hairs. I was like, I know I could do the shape, you know, without the little curling iron. So yeah, you know, you gotta have alternate ways to do things with alternate items, products, hot tools, etc. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this look down in the comments below. Please do not mind my lashes because, oh my god, I feel like my lashes are so droopy. I got lash extensions like one of y'all recommended me, and girl, maybe I just gotta find somebody else to go to or find my specific style, because I don't like when my lashes are droopy and make my eyes look glowing sad. I like my eyes to look very open, and my eyes are already big, so the fact that they're doing that is like very annoying. But anyways, yeah, so like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from Mwah, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye y'all.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me